It's not gonna go off.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Kankakee County in northeast Illinois, southern Will County in northeast Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lakewood Shores and moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, half-dollar size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Bourbonnais, Bradley, Mantino, Peatone, Homans, Loney, Granta Park, Beecher, Simmerton and Sun River Terrace. Other locations affected: Kankakee River State Park, Olivet Nazarene University, Will County Fairgrounds. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure,